Number 5, clear communication. Speak slowly, loudly, and clearly. Use simple words to teach, explain, and give instruction without overcomplicating things. It doesn't matter if you speak with an accent. The important thing is that your students understand you. How would you feel if you were trying to learn something, but the teacher wasn't clear in their communication? Over-enunciate. I often see teachers speaking to their learners as if they were native speakers. Fast, using slangs and idioms, overcomplicated vocabulary, and too many contractions. Can't, wanna, should've. Hi everyone, today we're going to talk about hobbies. What's your favorite recreational activity? What? Cat got your tongue? They justify it by saying that the student should become familiar with it. No, don't do that. Slow down. Be clear, especially at the start. Later, you can progressively speed up. Hi everyone. Today, we will talk about hobbies. Jenny, do you like music? Who is your favorite singer? When it comes to students using their native language, the less they use, the better for their English growth. In many classes, there is a no home language rule, but it depends on you and the level of your learners. Also teach common English instructions that you will use in class. Some teachers place posters around their class with instructions translated into the student's language. This will make their and your life easier. Also, engaging. Don't be monotonous in your speech. Add character and cadence. Be expressive when you teach. Students look at your facial expressions for clues and pay better attention if the teacher expresses emotion with their voice. High, low, a little faster, a little slow. Teachers are actors at heart, and you have to captivate your audience to keep them engaged. Number 6, multiple skills. English has many different skills students have to learn, the most important of which is speaking. But you should practice multiple skills at the same time, as it allows the students to learn in many ways instead of only relying on one. Explain verbally, write instructions on the board, give them examples, ask them questions to check their listening and understanding. Insert grammar you want them to learn. Give them opportunities to practice their speaking with a partner. It could include situational role plays and practical lessons that prove useful to students in their lives. Many teachers believe that we are preparing students for future jobs or traveling. But education should be practical. When students learn things that they feel are applicable in their lives, they realize the value and learn to show off to their peers and parents. When it's useful, they learn better. We are also fortunate that there are many sources of authentic material to use in the modern world. Find out what their interests are, what they are watching on YouTube, what games they are playing. When creating dialogues, set it as popular characters or current celebrities. The internet is a fantastic resource filled with audio, video, and written sources. I did a video with the 20 best websites for ESL teachers. You can find it in the description below. The domains of language acquisition, speaking, writing, reading, listening, need to be equally exercised across content areas with every lesson, assuring that students are using them all to support their English language development is essential.